One of the things we've really been getting into a lot lately is the digital menus. It's just so neat for the ability to change on the fly, to have something that you can change for your holidays, you can send different messages, you can kind of go with the flow and whatever you want to do. They're great for multi-sites, single sites, but what's really neat is the 55-inch model. It is super bright in the sunlight, direct sunlight, you can see it. Hopefully you're lined up out to the street and the people behind it get a chance to see it as well. But the nice thing is if you're going to do a change in chemistry, you're going to go change your pricing, you don't need to buy a whole new menu. You can change it on the fly, you can schedule weekly specials, you can talk about your monthly packages. All of this is really combined to try and create more dollars per car. We want you making more money. We want your customers coming back and being your biggest fan. So if you combine the 2 and 3 and we put the lighted menus, the non-lit menus, like a big board, and then the floating 3D, and combine that with the digital, it's kind of the 1, 2, 3 punch to get your customers remembering to come back to your wash. So check it out. The digital menus are definitely the wave of the future. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope we got some good information for you guys on how to get the most from your menu designs and picking the right things for your site and increase your dollars per car. If you have any more questions, please hit us up at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. Thanks a lot.